दर्शिता बाउभाई शाह है और मैं अपंग मानव मंडल में जॉब करती हूँ। आज जो ये हरीश भाई ने गाड़ी लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं, तो इस गाड़ी की वजह से जो मुझे दिक्कतें हो रही थी यहाँ पे आने जाने की, वो काफ़ी तक नहीं पूरी सॉल्व हो जाएगी। क्योंकि जब मैं घर से निकलती हूँ तो क्या होता है कि मुझे घर से उस गाड़ी में बैठना पड़ता है, फिर यहाँ उतरना पड़ता है, फिर मैं व्हीलचेयर में बैठती हूँ, फिर घर पे ऑफिस जाती हूँ, घर पे जाती हूँ। अब ये व्हीलचेयर एक्सेसिबल कार आ गई है, तो इसकी वजह से फ़ायदा ये होगा कि मैं घर से ही व्हीलचेयर में बैठ जाऊँगी, गाड़ी में व्हीलचेयर में बैठूँगी और ऑफिस में ही व्हीलचेयर में चली जाऊँगी। तो ये मुझे जो दिक्कतें हो रही थी वो काफ़ी सारी सॉल्व हो गई है और ये गाड़ी से बहुत सारे फ़ायदे हैं और मैं चाहती हूँ कि हर दिव्यांग इस गाड़ी का उपयोग करे।
Hello, my name is Harish and I represent Ability on Wheels. The biggest problem that our country faces today as far as wheelchair users are concerned is that there is no accessible public transport system available in our country for the wheelchair users. Let me introduce you to the first ever wheelchair accessible vehicle of Gujarat, a Renault Logi modified to act as a wheelchair accessible vehicle. Like this has got a ramp which can come down very easily and facilitate the movement of the wheelchair directly inside the car. Of course, it was not very easy because we had to raise the height of the roof to make it a proper headroom for the wheelchair user. Why not have an additional feature in the car for people who are not wheelchair users but do suffer from acute joint pains? We have a swivel seat which really eases the entry and exit of a person who is suffering from joint pains. So this is a swivel seat which just by the notch you can move it and it comes to this position. So a person who is having joint pains or is a senior citizen, he can very easily be seated here like this, and then the seat can be moved back to its original position. So this is a very versatile vehicle for not only wheelchair users but also for people with disabilities, the joint pains, senior citizens, people suffering from acute arthritis and things like that.
Medora Travels being a premium car rental company in Gujarat, we keep getting inquiries if we have vehicles which can accommodate the wheelchair. So this I think is going to be a great success. This being a pilot project, we're going to have many more cars in different parts of Gujarat and different parts of India. So Harish, all the best and fantastic initiative.